Unveiling, a closer look at the 15-inch MacBook Pro. Welcome to a comprehensive review of the 15-inch MacBook Pro, a perfect blend of performance and portability. Please hit that like button quick and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest content. Our first impression of the MacBook Pro is its sleek, elegant design. It's slim, and the metallic finish is simply stunning. The Apple logo at the back adds a touch of class. The Retina display is spectacular, offering vibrant color reproduction in high resolution. Whether you're editing photos or watching movies, the experience is immersive. The keyboard is a joy to use. With well-spaced keys and subtle backlighting, typing feels smooth and comfortable, even in dim light. One of the highlights of this MacBook Pro is the Touch Bar. This handy feature adapts to what you're doing, offering intuitive shortcuts and app controls at your fingertips. With a 6-speaker sound system and studio-quality mics, the audio performance of this MacBook is unparalleled. It provides immersive, high-fidelity sound that's perfect for music, movies, or video calls. The MacBook Pro is powered by a speedy Intel Core i7 processor. Paired with 16GB RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and apps launch swiftly. In terms of storage, this model comes with a super-fast 512GB SSD. It's ample for most users and ensures your system and apps load quickly. The graphics capabilities of the MacBook Pro are impressive. It's equipped with a Radeon Pro dedicated GPU that handles graphic-intensive tasks with ease. The battery life is commendable. On a full charge, you can expect up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback. This MacBook Pro comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, which provide impressive speed for data transfer and charging. On the software front, the MacBook Pro runs on the latest macOS. It's user-friendly, intuitive, and compatible with a vast range of apps. In conclusion, the 15-inch MacBook Pro is a robust powerhouse that combines style, performance, and portability. It's a solid investment for professionals and students alike. Thank you for joining us in this review. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates.